Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're signed into an administrator account and creating a restore point. This protects you if rollback fails. Once done, plug the device into power and close unsaved work to prevent data loss during uninstall. Now open Start, go to Settings, then Windows Update, and select Update History. This view shows installed security updates and will let you identify the specific KB number you need to remove. Next, click Uninstall Updates from the Update History screen to reveal installed KB entries. You'll see a list. Locate the security update by its KB number, select it, and choose Uninstall. Follow the on-screen prompts and allow Windows to process the removal. Make sure to read any confirmation dialog so you know what components are affected. Restart when prompted to finalize changes. If Windows blocks removal, note the error code for troubleshooting. Once the system restarts, verify the update no longer appears in Update History and check that critical apps and drivers function correctly. This confirms success. If the uninstall failed or Windows prevented removal, reboot into safe mode and run the command wusa/uninstall/kb, your KB number to force it. Replace your KB number with the numeric ID. If problems continue, use the restore point you created earlier to return to a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.